Hi everyone, welcome to the 21-22 Grade 4 Classroom Awards with Mrs. Fuska and Mrs. Kuhn. I hope you enjoy. Our first award is the Friendly Neighbor Award, and that goes to Joanna. Joanna, we're so proud of the way that you care for your teachers and your friends. It's been a beautiful thing to watch you grow in that this year. Thank you so much. Our Ray of Sunshine Award goes to Catherine. Catherine, I really have appreciated this year how you, no matter what's going on, if it's a difficult time or not, that you really, your joy just shines out. So thank you so much for being such an encouragement and letting that joy show out to your teachers and to your classmates. Thanks. The next award is our Class Comedian Award, goes to Ethan. Ethan, thank you so much for keeping us all so entertained. We all loved hearing your narrative story that just made us almost fall down laughing. You bring so much joy and imagination to this class this year. Thank you so much, Ethan. This next award goes to Karis Kim, our ravenous reader, and I should say ravenous lover of learning. Thank you, Karis. You brought so much to this class, and thank you for loving to read. I really appreciate that in you. It's been a joy to have you this year.
The Mr. Sports Award goes to Toygun for your love of all things sports, especially basketball. Thank you for your enthusiasm during recess and getting others involved and having a great time playing sports.
Our Mathlete Award goes to Chloe. You have gone above and beyond in math, and you've done an excellent job. So thank you so much, Chloe. You're an example to us, and we're also willing to help others. Even with your gifting in math, you are willing and ready to help anyone you can. Thanks, Chloe. The Writing Wizard Award goes to Mila. Mila, your writing this year has been amazing. You have a real gift to move people with your words, and so I really appreciate that. Keep up the good work. The Future Teacher Award goes to Catherine. Catherine, your gentleness, your kindness, and your encouragement to those around you. If God takes you to be a future teacher, I know that you'll be amazing at it. Thank you for being that encouragement to your teachers and to your classmates.
And this Future Scientist Award goes to Gabe for your love of all things science. Thank you for going above and beyond in our science experiments and sharing your thoughtful insights on all things science. Congratulations, future scientist. Our Computer Whiz Award goes to Albert. Albert, thank you for teaching our class about coding. It was so neat to see how you coded your Regions project and then showed others how to code a Bible story. I can't wait to find out what types of things you do with computers and coding in the future. Keep it up. Congratulations, Computer Whiz.
And the Amazing Artist Award goes to Stefan for your artistic talents and creativity. Stefan, so many times you created amazing artwork and you'd show it to me as you walked in the classroom. There were always students who wanted you to draw or give an example, so keep on creating, Stefan. Congratulations for the Amazing Artist Award.
To Adam Shin, we give the Guiding Light Award for always thinking of others and showing them the way. We also give him this award because we can tell that he really cares about sharing his faith and having others know about Jesus.
This next award goes to Andrew, our problem solver. I really appreciate all of Andrew's hard work, and he really does think about things. I think he's a great problem solver, and he's added so much to our class. Thank you so much, Andrew.
This next award goes to Winnie. She is a wonderful worker because she always tries her best and is constantly working hard. Every time we would look up and we would say, go to work, there was Winnie, hard at work, getting right to work. We thank you, Winnie. Congratulations for being a wonderful worker. The next award goes to Belinda. She is the queen of questions for always asking royally excellent questions during lessons, and especially in Bible. Congratulations, Belinda. This next award goes to Henry. This is called the Stick to It Award for never giving up and always trying your best. So many times both Miss Fuska and myself have seen you working so hard to make sure that your assignments were done well and that you show your understanding. Keep it up. Stick to it.
The Creative Kid Award goes to Dawson. Dawson, you have been awesome in your creativity this year. Every assignment, I feel like you wanted to take it above and beyond in just the area of creativity. You love to create new things, and you're amazing at that. The Fashionista Award goes to Carissa. Carissa, you have been such a fashion expert to us this year. But not only that, is that everything you do with style and fashion, and you have a great heart and love for things that are beautiful. I love that about you.
The Bomb at Baseball Award is presented to Derek because you blow our minds with your amazing baseball skills, and also it is fun to see what a great baseball fan you are.
So the Dot Your I and Cross Your T's award could go to many of you because you loved finding mistakes that Mrs. Fiska made. But we're going to give it to Felix. And Felix, may this lead you and guide you into great things ahead. You're such a leader in this, and you always did things in such a respectful way. Thank you, Felix. So the Quiet Achiever Award goes to Austin. Austin, you have been a hard worker this year, and you quietly grew and grew and grew. And when you didn't know things, you asked questions. I'm really proud of you and all the achievements that you've made this year.
The Life of the Party Award goes to Ray because of your bubbly personality. It seems, Ray, you always like to have fun with your friends, and you're well liked by so many students in our class. I hope you keep on being the life of the party in the future. The Happy Helper Award is presented to Emily. She always is happily lending a helping hand to your teachers and to others. So many times, Emily, I could rely on you to go and help a student if they were struggling or if they just weren't done yet. Thank you for being so kind and helping others.